Exactly. That's the point. Is we can be present in our bodies and there's a lot of energy in it. We're up in our heads and we're doing this all the time, which there's nothing wrong with having a conversation and responding. It's just that sometimes we get so stuck in our heads, we're not actually really listening or being present for the other person, and we miss that special energy that he's talking about. So it's not to replace conversation, it's just for a practice for you to notice, am I in my body and actually being present while I'm listening? Or is my mind busy just thinking of how I can top that? Or here's another story, or here's a better movie, or, okay? Can I just be present and not have to do anything? We're gonna turn the heat up on a little bit on this one too. Kimberly hates this exercise, but we'll get to it later.
See, I told you.
But anyway, that's a preliminary just to feel if you want to experience what that's like to both be speaking and have it received, someone who's just being present, the energy of someone just being present, or what it's like to you just give the gift of someone of your energy of just being present. Embodied, listening fully. This is a great sexual skill, actually, a lovemaking skill. If you can just be present, totally present without having to, sometimes you're going to want to do things in lovemaking, but do you have the ability to just listen and be present without doing anything? Without feeling like you have to think about the next move or what will turn them on, but just, can I just be present? So you can practice this at any time of day, and if you can, start to learn a little bit more about it, you can bring it to your lovemaking. It will really teach you wonderful things.